This'll never work.
Come on, Junior, it's sink or swim.
He's following us, and he looks hungry.
No, he looks lonely.
Well, why couldn't he bring flowers instead of algae? Achoo!